All right, hey y'all. I'm still working on the boat. It has been raining here, man, for a couple of weeks up here in North Missouri. We've needed the rain, but I'm right at working on the boat, so I kind of need to be out there working on it. I do have it all covered up, and I do have the outside kind of completed. I just got to do some touch-up painting. I got to finish one window. If it ever dries up and stops raining, I'm going to do a video and show you everything on it. But I wanted to unbox some things that I got, and I wanted to show you. Plus, I have some questions on a couple things. So, here we go. Let me show you the boat and how I have it all wrapped up. I have it all wrapped up. I've got windows in it. It's got screens on it, and some clear vinyl. I just done my bed today, so as soon as it dries up, I'll get you a video of that in there. But let's take a look and unbox some things. Okay. First thing, I have a flag. It's a 3x5 Harbor Freight. It's a cloth one, embroidery stars on it. I'm actually going to make a flagpole for it out of steel plate, and then just screw it to the top and let it fly. So I'll video that when we get ready to do it. That'll be pretty cool. Alright, the next thing I want to show you is a camp stove. Now I've already had this and I've used it a couple of times, and well, I say I've used it, I haven't used it. I bought it and took it on my Florida trip and never did use it, but I will be using it on this trip. What it is, it's a Ozark Trail, got it at Walmart. 2-burner camp stove with wind guard on it. It's 20,000 BTU, takes propane. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a propane tank, like a barbecue grill tank, or just screw in the little green bottles. I'm just going to have to wait and see what it looks like once I get out there and start using it and things like that. So, if I can take a big tank, I'm going to. Wow, now that's pretty cool. I have had it lit, boiled water on it and everything, and it heats up real good. That should work real good for what I need it for. Plus, when I get out there on the boat, I'm going to cook you up some of my favorite meals. Do maybe a little cooking channel or something, just for fun. Okay, we're going to set that off to the side for now. This next thing is what I have questions on. Got this 2,000 watt inverter, and it's a Harbor Freight. I haven't opened this yet. I've never owned one before. I've owned the little ones that you plug into the cigarette lighter, but this is a 2,000 watt inverter. I bought it because it says it will brew coffee, and I need my coffee in the morning. Really, that's the only thing that I'm going to use it for, other than a toaster maybe, but then charging up all of my electronics, my phones, my camera, and my VHF radio, and different things like that. Let's unbox it. I've never had it opened. So, one of the questions I have on it though is on the back of it. Well, this is the back. On the back of it, right here, it says that solar panels, total wattage is 2,750 watts. What I'm wondering is, why do you need an inverter to run solar panels? Doesn't the solar panels charge the batteries? The batteries gives the inverter power so you can use your other stuff. Can somebody tell me why they have this listed? Alright, let's open it, see what happens. And I'm opening this because I need to put it in the boat. Awfully heavy. Alright. Here we go. It's called a Jupiter. It's got 3 plugs on the front, got a little meter on it, on and off switch, place to charge your cell phone, or it's just a USB port, it's all it is. On the back of it, it's got 2 hot and ground. Not sure what this is for, but we'll check it out. And I hope that is enough power to run my coffee pot. Now, I know that I can't do heat and air condition on one battery. I just have one battery. So what I plan on doing is making my coffee, putting it in a thermos, and then that thermos that I have, it'll stay hot all day long if I want. But I drink it within a couple hours. So, can't wait to hook this thing up. Plus, I bought the cables that went with it, which is right here. Jupiter Power Inverter, 6-foot inverter cable set. Number 2 gauge. It'll work with a 2,000 watt inverter. So, let's open this puppy up because I'm going to have to. Straighten the cables out. And it really ain't too bad. I didn't know where I was going to put it in the boat. That's why I went ahead and got the 6-footer. So. Alright, pretty cool. Can't wait to get that hooked up. And I'll show you all of that. The next thing is, man, I spent $206 on a part that I hope I never have to use. You guys ever done that? Look at this, pretty cool. I did have this open. What it is, it's a mercury prop. I got an extra one. Everybody said to get one. The guy that inspired me to do this, I asked him and he said he had one. So, I've got one. Even though my prop on my motor is a brand new one. I have a 14 by 10. It's 14-inch diameter, 10 pitch. And the reason it was 10, and the way I understand this, is the smaller the pitch, the more weight you can take, the more pulling power. And if you have a higher pitch, say 12, 13, 15, 18, 19, then it's speed. You can get up on the water quicker, you can go to a plane quicker, but it's not real good on weight. So I couldn't find a 10 pitch. When I bought the motor and they put that one on it, that's actually an old prop. It's brand new, but it's one that they've had sitting for a while. Mercury made this prop years ago. The company I bought the motor from and everything, they had it on their shelves and they just put it on, which kind of ticked me off, but what do you do? I'll never buy anything from him again. So, here we go. 11 pitch, a 14 by 11. I couldn't find another 10 pitch. And this is a Black Max also, made by Mercury. And the one I have on there, it's part of the Black Max family, but it's gray. That's how I found out that it's an older prop. Still brand new. It's never been used, but it's an older model. This is brand new model. They just made this. And $206 for it. It's aluminum. And the reason I got aluminum is if I hit a log or something in the river, I want to break this prop and not my lower unit. So $200 is a lot better price to pay than $2,000 for a lower unit. I'm not sure that's how much they are, but. And then the only other thing that I have in here is the parts. I got the inner parts of it. Most people just use what they have on it, and the inner parts of it, the nuts and the washers and gaskets and sleeves and all that. The one I have on there will work with this prop, but if anyone knows me, they know I like to go brand new. I've been stuck out on the lake and out on the rivers way too much with a busted motor because I used a used part. So here's to Mercury. Love Mercury motors. Maybe next time they'll give me a free one. Okay, let's put this off the side. I got one more thing to show you. Yeah. Got this at Walmart. Not sure I'm going to need it. It is a Mr. Heater, portable buddy heater. I wish I would have had this in Florida. I went to Florida last January. Colder than crap, I'm telling you. Last week of December, first week of January, I had my camper I built on the back of the truck. Oh, it was colder than crap. And I couldn't figure out, I had a battery, solar panels, but I couldn't figure out how to get the little heater working. It wouldn't work on my little inverter that I had. I needed a bigger inverter. And then I found out that it would have just drained my battery just really quick. So I upgraded everything. I have big old solar panels. I do have one battery, and later on, if I have to buy another battery, I will. But I don't have to run this heater off of the batteries or the solar panels. This is a portable buddy that works on propane. I can hook it up to a big propane tank or hook it up to a little one. I hope I don't need this, but the videos that I've seen and the guy that I watch that has done the loop 2 to 3 times, he's done it many times. I just remember looking at his videos and he got awfully cold in the morning. So, and what's cool about this is you can use it inside, but still, it's a propane heater. Alright. Of course, I'm going to read all the manuals. I read everything, study them, find out how they tick, how they work. This is pretty cool. I hope I don't have to use this either, but I bet I will. Ooh, I can hang it on the wall too. That's cool. And I hope that it will heat my room up that I have on the boat. I'm not sure that it will, but it's man, they say it's it's 4 to 9,000 BTUs. I don't know what the hell that means, but I'll set it right next to me if I have to. Plus, I'm going to have a heated blanket. So, all right, this is it. That's all I wanted to show you. I wanted to do a quick video for you. If you haven't seen it before, please subscribe. I'm getting ready to float down the river to my people that has subscribed already. Thank you so much. Man, I got over 100. I'd like to get 1,000 now. Then we can start making a little bit of money on this. And yeah, pretty cool. It's getting close. September 16th. Oh, hey, one other thing. Someone told me that if you if you use the same product over and over and over again, and it's in your videos, that the company will probably contact you and support you, be a partner with you. And I thought about maybe doing a Budweiser beer, but I'm not a big drinker. But hey, Dr. Pepper, if you want to supply me with years and years and years of Dr. Pepper, that would be fantastic. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up, share it, leave a comment, answer some of these questions that I have, and we'll get back with you. We'll see you next time.